Now with Dr. Misbah Khan and Jennifer J, our hand rejuvenation patient. She has a lovely Manny, that we know. And right now they've been injecting filler into her hands, right? We're in the filler process, doctor?
Yeah.
We have heard no shrieks of pain. We're not ready to do the full reveal yet because we've still got to do the laser, the laser stuff, right?
Yeah.
We're actually done with the laser, but give us a few minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And you know, for folks who don't know, women are in particular, their hands start to show their age and could be good indicators as to just how old you are. So you may take great care of the skin on your face, but the hands tend to reveal your age a little bit more clearly than your face does sometimes. So some women are turning to these kinds of medical procedures to make their hands look younger, and that's what we're getting a preview of today.
It's about, between the laser and the injections, it's about $2,000 or so to get this done. It lasts about a year.
Right, and you can get rid of some of those age spots, and also hands start to get thinner over time in a sense, and so you can also inject them with things to make them look a little bit fuller and more youthful.
Yes.
All right, we'll check back in with you in a little bit. In the meantime, let's go from one extreme to the other.
All right, we got to give her a hand. In fact, we're going to give her two. If you missed it, we've been doing hand rejuvenation with Dr. Misbah Khan. We started at the top of the program with our patient Jennifer J.
Yeah, and Jennifer, you say you started to notice some brown spots and you felt like your hands were looking a little bit older. So talk with us about the procedure and what you have found, doctor.
So what we decided to do for our patient, for the concerns that she had, were more about along the lines of skin texture, skin tone, and also there was a volume loss. As you can see, this hand is done, this hand is not done. So let's take a look over here. So when she is, without it having anything on it, just a simple moisturizer, as you can see, there is some skin texture changes that kind of like bunch up and they add to the surface of the wrinkles of the hands. And also there is some spacing that appears in between these tendons, and then they actually get worsened over time if you do not necessarily correct them. And that adds a little bit to the age. Since there's so many things available for the face, but there's not much people they do for the hands. When you put your hands next to your face and you're taking a photograph, they easily reveal your age. So so that's why.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Why can't you use the same stuff you'd use in your face in your hands?
That's a great question, because that's exactly what we did. We took the same technology that we use elsewhere on the face, and then we applied it to the hands. Actually, this same thing is so safe that you can pretty much do it on other parts of the body as well. So what we did for her is we did a laser pass first with the Fraxel. As you can see, that even though we just finished doing it, there's minimal redness, and that's what I was trying to emphasize. That this
it looks a little swollen, though. No?
Yes, it is. That's a little bit from the filler injection also. But what important is, because we filled up her hand with a little bit of a filler material, and that's what it will take a little bit of a day, or sometimes maybe 2 days to settle down, and then it will blend in, and then all the spaces in between the hands, they will get better.
Okay, let's just flip your hand just a little bit, because I want to be able to zoom in if we can. Let's zoom in on the hand just a touch so we see. There's the before and the after.
So you're basically just filling in these spaces.
We fill in the spaces, yes, exactly, and then we just actually massage the whole area to make sure that it's nice and smooth.
Interesting.
All right. You know, I don't have a problem with seeing, you know, lines in between people's hands. Why do some people find that to be so disturbing?
It is not that people find it disturbing. It's just that the depth of these lines and the prominence of these lines adds age. And that gets translated into something that gives away how old you are and how good you take care of yourself.
Right. Jennifer, what do you think of that new look you got there? Are you happy with that? Is that what you had hoped for?
The fine lines are going away. It's fantastic.
Okay. There we go. Thank you so much, doctor. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
If you want to find out more about hand rejuvenation or contact the doctor, we have a link on our website. Again, it's about give or take $2,000 for the injections, and the laser treatment lasts about a year. And for more information, of course, again, just log on to the Good Day site.
All right, Dr. Khan and Jennifer, thank you so much. Well, coming up on Good Day.